The Ministry of National Security is determined to maintain law and order in the Jamaican society. As part of that mandate, the Portfolio Minister and Police Commissioner have been updating the public on key issues involving the Jamaica Constabulary Force. The National Security Minister used the community forum in Westmoreland to indicate his support for the JCF.
We have confidence in our police commission.
That vote of confidence will be supported by appropriate policy and legislative decisions backed by crime-fighting tools.
The money that will be given for motor vehicles in the next budget, we're going to buy some used cars. Because you can get 4 used cars for 1 new car. We are running an experiment right now where we are using natural gas to power our police cars. And if that experiment works, we'll be using it in more vehicles.
The use of drones to man areas without closed-circuit televisions CCTVs is also being explored, and mobile police stations will be deployed to crime hotspots. There's also a commitment to improve the working environment for police personnel. While those needs are addressed, the police are reminded not to engage in corrupt practices and to maintain professionalism on the job.
A police officer might be having a bad day and talk to you rough just like how you might be having a bad day. But at the same time, they are not to take it out on the people because they are professionals. And the police alone can't do the job. You have to cooperate. You have to help the police. This is about partnership.
That partnership will be reinforced through the continuation of the Unite for Change initiative, which was launched in December 2013, as a means of encouraging stakeholders to work together to prevent crime. District constables, a crucial link between communities and police stations, are integral to the partnership. Those who have been manning police stations will be returned to their rightful places in communities.
And that is why we are on a recruitment drive to fill out the vacancies for police officers that we have so that the stations can be adequately staffed and some of the district constables or those who are newly recruited can remain in the district.
The Ministry of National Security's Community Forum in Westmoreland also solicited feedback and provided answers to critical questions, both social and crime-related. The thinking: social issues lead to crime, so they must be addressed if crime is to be curtailed.
We haven't got any water there for over 2 years.
We truck water into the air. I think what we need to do is probably look at the schedule and organize it properly and advise them when water will be trucked. As part of the improvement to deliver more water to staff, we have to do some work by a roaring river, which really costs a tidy sum. We are seeking a number of avenues to fund several projects.
Is there a CCTV system set up in the town of Negril?
We will be putting a CCTV system in Negril starting next month. We have already done the design of the system. It was done in consultation with the police and the business community.
Within what time frame should a complaint to the police be addressed?
A complaint to the police should be actioned immediately or as soon as possible thereafter.
Are the police stations going to be upgraded with computers to assist in report writing, report taking, and transmitting the reports to and from?
We are moving away from writing statements and taking reports in longhand. We are equipping stations with computers, not at the rate that we would like, but we are doing it.
The pilot project for electronic station diaries is also ongoing. So what did people think of the meeting?
It's a very successful meeting.
I think this is an excellent start for our new minister. I believe that it went very well.
They do a good job that everybody can come and make a speech and they know what everybody's problem is.
Crime is a holistic problem and it has to be dealt with in a holistic way.
And so all the issues and suggestions arising from the Community Forum in Westmoreland were recorded and will be addressed by various stakeholders.